Okay, what are you doing? Go ahead, pull it back. Where are you going? Oh, out there? Oh. Okay, go ahead. I'm watching you. Go. Driving the fire engine. Pushing it aside. Now what? You okay? Hey, can you look at me for a minute? Can you give me a smile? Hey, look up here. Oh, this is where his little bed is. Oh. This is where he just took a nap. Not in here. He hates to get in there. He likes to get on there. Now what are you doing? Hey, can I have a look? Hey, let's look at you. Oh, hey. Whoa. Can I have a big smile? Hey, you. Oh, now he's doing reverse. Look at that. He knows how to do reverse with the fire truck. Is this kid smart or what? Reverse, reverse. Now he needs to, let's see. Oh, look at that. He can turn it. Yeah, now he's going to get ready. He likes to go fast. He likes to go fast. Now, so he wants to stay away from the stairs. Doesn't want to get hurt. He's pretty smart. Yeah? Uh-huh. Oh, he likes this room the best because he can go, it's slick. Oh, what's that? Now he's found something else. Oh, Buzz Lightyear, yeah. He found Buzz Lightyear. What's that? What's that? Whew. Oh, that was just a little pit stop. Oh, look at the big ball. Look at the big ball. Oh, he likes the blue one better. Yeah, he's patting them to see if they're both good. Yeah. Okay, I guess this is a little boring, but I just love his every move. Okay, bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye.